Go, D. Bounce. Let's go. Shoot the ball, bro. Come on. Shoot.
Go shoot the ball, Grandpa.
Go shoot.
Shoot it again.
No, it's my turn.
Shoot it again, Grandpa. Hurry up.
Come on. And D, you got to share, bro.
Okay.
That's not your ball. How you going to try to take?
My team. My turn.
All right, let Dada shoot. Bounce it, bro.
First of all, I gotta get over here. I'm up.
Shoot it.
Dunk, bro.
It's my turn.
Boom, shakalaka.
Give my change. Give my change. Give my change. No, I made it. No, give my change. No, give my change. That's my change. I made it. Thank you.
Shoot, bro. Dribble. Dunk well. Dribble the ball, man.
I did the great.
Go dunk on the rim, bro.
It's my turn. Yes. That's my change. It's my turn.
Let Dada shoot.
Sticks.
Go, Dada. Dribble the ball.
Shoot.
Dunk it.
Boom, shakalaka.
Like that, D. Do it like your brother.
Okay. My turn. Thank you. Hey, DJ, here's one.
Now go.
My turn.
You okay?
Yeah.
Come on.
Dribble the ball, DJ. Dribble the ball just like me and say, oh, boom, shakalaka, like that. You give us things.
Give him change.
Thank you.
Go, D.
Go, dribble. Okay. He really can't do that like me. Okay.
Come on. Dunk, D.
Dunk. DJ, dunk. It says boom, shakalaka.
Boom, shakalaka.
Boom, shakalaka.
Oh, man. Oh, that was ugly. He was playing with his hamster. Then he put it on top of the
They
cage.
boom, shakalaka.
And one of them what's name birds came by and snatched that mug up and ate him.
Oh, wow. Next. Pass the ball. Go. One hand. One hand. One hand. One hand dunk.
He pee on me.
Move. One hand dunk, Dada. One hand.
My turn. My part.
Take a jump shot.
It's my turn. Give my hand.
That's a dunk.
My turn.
It's a jump shot like this.
My turn. Give my part.
Shoot, D, right there. Stop and shoot. Turn around and shoot. Shoot. Shoot towards the rim. Shoot.
Shoot!